Hey, what's up, holders? So today we talk about the Cardano price prediction and absolutely do a technical analysis to what's going on this time in Cardano and what's the news. So especially I have very good news, my friend, for all Cardano holder, because it's a profit time and don't miss this opportunity, my brothers, to take a very good profit, because this is a chance, my brother. Not every day, my friend, Cardano moving upward, not every day. Even in the same time, absolutely they will move upward. So you need, my brothers, you need to do this what I talk to you. I hope, my brothers, you will be get a very good profit now. Let's see, my brother. Please kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type urgent and very informative videos now. So this time, first of all, if you can see, my brother, the Cardano update, so you can see it just only in last 1 hour the coin is going to be profit now, 0.24% they are profit, and last 24 hours you can see here minus 0.45%. Oh my goodness, they fell down. But at chain across last 7 days, you can see here minus 13.18% they fell down. And you can see here this time the price, so the Cardano price is 1.18 USD dollar, and this time you can see here the volume of last 24 hours, so 642 billion. And you can see, my brother, available supply, so 31 billion. And you can see, my brother, the total supply, so 32 billion. And you can see your market cap, so 37 billion, my brother. Absolutely, that's all chart, my friend. You can see here everything is going to be increasing, but the current time, my brother, absolutely, especially otherwise, my friend, from last 7 days, from last all month, my brother, the coin is completely fails down and cannot get a profit. So especially experts, my friend, space about Cardano, to there is 70% chances to Cardano will wake up and moving upward, the price will be increasing. But definitely, my friend, everybody know this, to end of month, at the end of month, every coin will move upward now. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my brother, to the last 10 days of this month they will get a very good profit. And absolutely, especially this is good for a short time investor who invest for a short time, to they will get a very good profit now. Especially don't miss this opportunity, please, my brother, hold it. And absolutely my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. My opinion is absolutely, my friends, to please hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope if you are wait for the end of month, I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So see you next time, holder. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope, my brother, you will be like our video, so please like video and subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.